Hello everyone, this is Jonas from SitPack and OCTO. Today I'm gonna review this brand new prototype that we just received from our factory in China. It's the updated version from this one that you saw a while back. I'm gonna showcase it to you, and then it's gonna be like a month or so that we have to give feedback and make any additions that we need to do. But this will be the version that we will use for the campaign video. So let's check it out. Let's open the box with the OCTO blade. Ooh, well, very nice. So yeah, and what is this? This is these are looking good. Okay, so yeah, this is the new prototype. We have an improved wrench with two spoke sizes for adjustment on spokes on bikes. We have much improved glow-in-the-dark plates. I don't know how well they are yet, but we will see in a little while. We have the deep pocket clip right here. We have a blade that is looking really nice, that locks in place up here, whereas on and you can also see the way that you pull it out is much better now than before. I'm just going to take out these keys. So here you go, much better looking. We have put in a plate here, so it looks much better. New OCTO logo, maybe it's too big, let me know. We have you can see here, we have increased the length quite a lot on both the Phillips head and the flathead screwdriver. So you have, if I can just get my, so here we go. Yeah, so this is how they look now. They stop at the top as they should, just like that, looking really nice. Then we have the new rubber band right here with a lip, much better for holding in place the bits. And we can change out these, I think it's like this. Looking good. Yeah, amazing. So let's turn off the light and see how the glow-in-the-dark plates work. So you see this one just came out of the box, been in the light for a very short period of time, and they are glowing a lot compared to this one, which has been in daylight and in artificial light for a long time. Let's try to give it some more light. It's really bright. Looking really good. All right, so yeah, that's it. All in all, it looks super nice. Feels really well. The knife is beautiful. All good. So yeah, thanks for watching, and looking forward to hearing your feedback and any improvements at all that you think is relevant. We will try to implement them as soon as possible. So thanks a lot for your time, and have a great evening or day or morning.